We are the TU Delft Hydromotion team, and in just 1 year we design, build and test the first ever liquid hydrogen powered boat to race in the Monaco Sea Lab 2025. But not only will our boat race, we will fuel the maritime industry towards a greener future. Welcome to our journey.
Yeah, I mean, you have to be ambitious as a dream team.
Just a lot of motivation, enthusiasm.
Yeah,
that was really nice.
I agree.
Being able to experience and do things you would never ever get a chance anywhere else.
The enthusiasm really was spring out of everyone.
If you want to make it happen, you can.
Really great, life-changing, yeah, I think.
Like, people are really involved. You see the alumni, they come back, they they're here all the time trying to help us out in every way we can.
I also think it's beautiful to see how far we've come. We've begun as total strangers and now we've evolved into a high-performance team.
We are the TU Delft Hydromotion team and we are here to fuel the future.
Our mission started 19 years ago with the TU Delft solar boat team. In 2019, we proved solar power could be a reliable energy source by winning our first World Championship. But we didn't stop there. In 2020, we embraced compressed hydrogen, creating the world's first foiling hydrogen-powered boat. In 2023, this innovation led us to victory at the Monaco Energy Boat Challenge. Last year, we made history again, crossing the North Sea as the first hydrogen-powered boat.
Yeah, most of us actually come from like a university background, so everyone learned more like the theoretical side of our studies. And this is actually the first time in our project that we will go more on like the practical side, so we're actually producing something.
Nobody of my friends at least can tell that they built their own boat this big.
Yeah. So what I loved about like this year is with 25 people you do such amazing things. You get so much responsibility.
I think I learned that if you do something that you like, it doesn't feel like working.
We all take this away to our careers. I think we'll all be really good in teams from now on.
And it was also a way to contribute to something positive in the world.
The maritime sector is vast and diverse, with varied energy demands that no single solution can fully address.
As part of the broader energy transition, we recognize the need of diverse energy innovation.
So now, it's time for the next big step.
We are expanding our focus, exploring alternative hydrogen systems which can complement existing technologies.
We are making the shift from compressed hydrogen to liquid hydrogen.
With its high energy density, liquid hydrogen offers a scalable and powerful solution for the maritime industry.
Nobody in the team really understood the challenges ahead at the time, and once we chose liquid hydrogen and we began researching a little bit, the first obstacles really became clear, and it really pushed us more into finding solutions for those obstacles and to reach it together with one clear vision in mind.
A lot of people, a lot of companies told us what you are doing this year is impossible. Doing a liquid hydrogen boat in 1 year is like, especially for your size, is something no one has ever done before. So you won't succeed. And in the end, we did succeed. We integrated a complete liquid hydrogen system into the boat. And I think it also shows to a lot of skeptical people that it is possible to make like a completely liquid hydrogen green foiling race boat in 1 full year.
We just went for it.
There was never anyone that said, oh, this can't be done, it's impossible.
No.
Like, oh, we'll find a way to do it somehow.
For months, we have worked relentlessly, combining innovation, engineering and teamwork to bring our liquid hydrogen foiling boat to life.
The main part of our boat is the hull, produced entirely by our own team members.
This year, we've incorporated the natural composite flags in areas like the dashboard and tank caps, providing a sustainable alternative to carbon without compromising durability.
Our motor mount and steering gear have been redesigned after in-depth simulation, reducing weight and minimizing vibrations. And this year, we implement an electric fully rotating backstrut, allowing for 180 degrees rotation, greatly enhancing maneuverability.
To achieve stable and efficient foiling, our foils are carefully engineered to lift the entire boat out of the water. We've redesigned the foils to make production and assembly way more efficient.
Controlling our flight requires precision. Our height control system has been upgraded, allowing the boat to lean into turns while foiling. This level of control is a breakthrough in our boat's agility.
Performance matters, but safety comes first. That's why we've implemented a kill cord, emergency buttons and hydrogen sensors throughout the boat to ensure the highest level of safety at all times. Additionally, we've developed an overnight monitoring system using satellite connectivity to monitor our liquid hydrogen system, enhancing our ability to detect issues early and act accordingly.
Our powertrain combines two hydrogen systems, compressed hydrogen and liquid hydrogen. The liquid hydrogen tank is significantly smaller yet holds more hydrogen at a much lower pressure, providing a compact fuel source.
Were long weeks, we definitely worked long hours, but you really could see the progress. That was the nice thing, you really saw the deadline in front of you. Okay, this is the time we really want to finish everything. And every day you come around and you just do the next little piece and see, okay, now we've done that.
I think we get to know each other really well because of those weeks. I think I have a special friendship created because of production.
A little more than half the year we were designing and for me and especially manufacturing a lot of parts. It's just hours and hours behind the laptop or behind the machines, and then you finally see it come together and actually work, and that was very great. And of course then you also see the problems. Then you can finally actually see the things that you might have overlooked, and then you have to scramble to get a new part made or to modify the existing part to get it to fit better and work better.
Yeah, I think that's really our strength, that we don't give up, and that if we want something, we ask again and again, or we find a different way to find a solution. And I mean, in the end, we still did, so it does work out.
Yeah, definitely.
For each problem, there is a solution. No matter what kind of big problem you have, there's always a way to fix it, and that's the biggest thing I've learned this year.
We have built a foiling boat, aiming it to be the first liquid hydrogen-powered race boat ever. Every lift, every sail and every takeoff. It's all part of our journey. But before a boat like this touches the open water, it's tested again and again.
We started with battery-powered tests as a controlled start to validate our core systems.
Next we sailed on gaseous hydrogen. Seeing our hydrogen system work for the very first time marked a powerful milestone.
Not long after, she took off. The moment Mira foiled for the first time, lifted by the wings we engineered, that's when we knew we're building something extraordinary. When the first time when me and Bauer went, it was really nice, but you could see that the back was still hitting the water. And I really wanted to fix that, and I already knew how, we just had to find the time.
Seeing it foil in headquarters is really different because you can only see like the statistics and you hear the other person on your headphones, but yeah, every second you hope that there isn't some weird sound or not, yeah, that you lose connection or you see some weird spike in your data, but it all went well, especially that's your first time foiling.
It's all about efficiency, gliding over the water with almost no resistance.
But our greatest challenge was still ahead: liquid hydrogen. A fuel with incredible potential, light, powerful and full of promise. But it comes with complexity. Safely integrating it into a foiling race boat is something no one has ever tried. And that's exactly why we had to take on the challenge.
The team at an external place for such long days, for a long time, was really makes it stand out against other phases, I think.
I think it was one of the most fun phases I've had like the whole year.
Yeah.
It's like seeing everything come to life and like getting problems and then solving them, and it actually works is really cool.
You worked so many months on something and finally you got the tank, and then you started to test. And it all went very quickly, but you saw like it worked and it kept working, and yeah, you just want to continue.
But this isn't just a solo mission. Behind every test and every milestone are the partners who stand with us. They provide more than materials and tech. They bring insight, trust and belief.
I mean, the partnerships are everything. Without the partnerships, the team wouldn't exist.
A lot of knowledge, a lot of parts and a lot of resources is necessary to build this boat.
Yeah, I think they can also learn from us that it's helpful to invest in such student teams because we're capable very much. And with more help, we can do even more in a year.
For me, the greatest thing was that a lot of partners really want to help. Them willing to help, them thinking alongside us with the problems we have, trying to come to a solution together, solutions that we didn't think of. That was for me really helpful.
Every decision we've made, every improvement we have implemented brings us closer to our ultimate goal, winning the Monaco Sea Lab 2025.
At the Monaco Energy Boat Challenge, we stand alongside other young innovators. Our generation is passionate, driven and dedicated to build a sustainable future.
Together, we're showing the yachting industry what's possible when you dare to dream bigger.
We don't just race to win, we race to fuel the future.
This is actually the place where students and the maritime industry join forces to accelerate a sustainable future.
What I also loved was like the moment in the burning heat at some point in the car when you saw the Mediterranean Sea. You saw all the yachts and you just really realized where you're going to have the competition.
It was also really cool during the presentations that you could really see what the other teams have been working on all the innovations and their whole design.
I mean, and you could really see the drive of each team, which was not unlike our own, just really going for it and trying to win the competition. Yeah, some good energy.
Really nice to see how creative all of the teams got and also how much pride they had in the boats that they built.
Just the positivity and enthusiasm that everybody has to help themselves. It doesn't feel like a competition, it feels like we are all working together towards the same goal, which we are.
For the first time that we went out to sea, it was a lot rougher and unpredictable than the inland waters in the Netherlands. However, for Mira and the team, it was really a way to truly show their potential in coping with these circumstances. We finally had the chance to show just what we are capable of.
Everybody gets the opportunity to grow in our team and everybody enjoys the growth of someone else, and that's just the little things that feels amazing.
The maneuverability challenge went really well. Thanks to our fully rotating backstrap, the slalom went really good and we were able to take sharp turns in the harbour of Monaco. The next challenge was the speed record. Of course, we have foiled before at roughly 45 kilometers per hour, but today there was a new milestone with 50 kilometers per hour. The whole team can be proud of that. With this new record, we have proved that sailing and racing on hydrogen is possible.
We prepared ourselves for the endurance race. This is the race where we can show the potential of hydrogen.
At the start, all the boats gathered here, from the open sea class, which are commercial boats, and the Sea Lab, which are all the experimental boats like Mira. Despite other boats being faster, we sailed continuously and stable. Boat for boat, the competition returned to the harbour, and eventually we stayed in the race with only 2 other hydrogen-powered boats.
We sailed for the full 3 hours, and despite the little setback in the beginning, we showed our resilience and became the winner of the endurance race in the Sea Lab.
You saw it in the scores of the endurance race that nearly all the top ending boats in both the open sea class and the Sea Lab, and perhaps also the energy class, they were all sailing on hydrogen.
I think also considering that we spent about an hour in the beginning of the race programming our boats and then still getting the first place shows just the basically complete dominance that hydrogen has over electrical propulsion, which is pretty cool.
In the 16 nautical mile speed race, we had to sail to Italy and back, which was almost 30 kilometers. After the start, we needed some time to get our top speed, while the other boats accelerated much faster and soon sailed out of sight. Our strategy was to play safe and not push our boat too hard.
But of course, as a high-performance dream team, we want to show the world what a group of 25 dedicated students is capable of. Mira is a foiling boat with a dual hydrogen system that is built to race. That is what we were able to show the world here in Monaco.
We are super proud of how we have grown and what we have shown as a team.
We did great.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to work out in the end so well. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really amazing that we finished all those races. I really liked foiling around the yachts. I didn't expect to do it when I heard I was pilot, but it's like unbelievable when you first start your year with Hydromotion and then you end up between all these yachts with your own boat, which is flying around.
I think it was one of the most amazing years of my life. I mean, with a team of 25, we built a whole boat. We raced it in Monaco.
Yeah, special.
Yeah.
It's just a really special group of people. Like, we've been working together really well. There wasn't one moment where I thought like this team is just not going to work.
Yeah.
There was no doubt, I think, with our team that when something needed to be fixed, we just went for it.
There was never anyone that said, "Oh, this can't be done. It's impossible."
No.
Like, "Oh, we'll find a way to do it somehow."
I'm so incredibly proud of this team and what we have achieved.
Yeah, for me also I think proud is the right answer. I think my feelings went very like this the whole year, but in the end I'm so happy with how everything went and I wouldn't change anything that's happened. I think we grew a lot as a team and I think we can be proud as to how we performed and what we've all achieved.
We have built a foiling, hydrogen-powered race boat in just 1 year. A marvelous achievement. We have worked incredibly hard and will pass on our knowledge to the next team. They are ready to start their journey and continue to fuel the future.
It's extremely rewarding and the energy that you put in, you definitely get out of it as well. So just keep going and you'll find it.
Enjoy every moment because, yeah, as you know, before you know it, it's over.
Yeah, but enjoy every moment and also the setbacks and the hard moments because you learn a lot and afterwards it's actually pretty beautiful that we all as a team share those moments.
I think if you would know at the beginning of the year what we can achieve in 1 week, like in the testing phase or something, you might not believe it, but each year they always show that after so many months of working together that we really do become a high-performing team.
I'm really curious on what path they are taking next year, and I'm really willing to go also on that journey and help them a lot with their journey. Yeah.
It's mainly about going through the process where you learn a lot. Of course, the end result is where you're working towards, but I think the process is just as important as the end result.
We'll be there to help. Yep. Whenever you need us, just we're a call away. I'm not going to give any technical advice. We'll do that later in closed quarters. But have fun. Enjoy every moment of it. Make every moment last. Try to come together as a team as much as possible. Try to trust each other. Yeah. And we did. I think we did. And that's why we're here now with a foiling hydrogen-powered boat, which actually works.
Who would have thought
that?
Which is insane. Yeah, we said that word so many times before, and now it's actually there. It's weird.
It's like enjoy your year. It's really, really fun. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it. It's like friends for life, knowledge for life, and you learn so much more in this year than any of the other years.
Yeah.
This is the end of this year.
and like I almost feel like we can just keep going for like a few more months and then have the perfect boat, you know. But you got to do it in 1 year. It's what we set out to do, and we built a really nice boat. So it feels good, but at the same time, it feels difficult to have to let it go.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of sad that it ended, but also maybe it just has been enough. You've experienced a lot, and it was amazing, and now it's done, and that's okay.